welcome to JM episode 13. I'll be your guide today. Quit! Don't bite on me. Ben Stoner is in North Carolina at Motec dealer training class. So let's go to the shop, see what's going on. You stay. Yep, you stay in here. Should we show everybody everything going on with Ben's car since he's not here? Yeah. Like we can show them all the whole turbo kit and everything he's been trying to hide. No, we probably shouldn't. Don't look this way. Alright, we're past it. We'll show you guys, is our buddy Avage's coupe. For the local guys, they'll notice is actually our buddy Carlos's car, which we lost last year. Jit found it and got it. We're going to bring Avage on the episode next week, and he can tell his story on how he found the car, how he came to get it from a different owner. And then he has since got it and put this funny little motor in it. Not quite sure what it does. There's no push tubes in it. I don't really know how it works. But there's a big turbo on it. I know how that works. So, should be pretty rowdy little setup. It should make like 1,000 horsepower or so. Should be a fast car. I'm gonna do a trick little fuel cell for it. Back in this area, just a nice trunk mounted fuel cell, big air motive brushless pump. Pretty thick little setup. Over here we have Colin's car. What is it, Timmy? Like a built 413?
Yeah, something like that.
Yep. LME engines did it. LSA blower, built engine now. Timmy's putting it together. He's kind of waiting on some fittings and knickknacks because he's got one of these fancy air conditioning, cooler, heat exchanger combos on it. Rowdy little car. We got Timmy around parachute cable stuff. Making fast cars stop. About to be putting the transmission back in this thing. Set up the suspension right, go out and do some wigglies and stuff this year. What's up, Jimmy?
Much.
Okay, Jimmy, putting this parachute kit on this one, on the 1400R package car. Gotta be able to stop, hopefully take this car down to the half mile. Want to go fast in, down in Florida in April.
Yep.
Mount a parachute, routing cables, making practice for that stuff now. Fancy wheels. I don't think they got the cable mounted inside yet. Put them out of handle and stuff on it. And we're putting a 9-inch with G-Force 9-inch conversion kit in this one here. Big old fancy diff. Well, this one's got a blower on as well, right? Like a magnet charger? Procharger? Too many chargers. Too many belts around here. Don't really know what's going on. Prochargers on the ground, blowers over there, blowers over there. Are we outnumbered right now with blower cars?
There's more bells in here than I like to admit.
There is more belts in here. Man, I don't know if I like that. That one's got a belt on it, the truck. What does that make, like 680 or something like that?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. Well, speaking of belts, let's unbox this Procharger kit. And this one's coming over for the 16 Camaro.
Yep.
Sick.
Should be a P1X in there.
P1X in here. We should have brought the puppies out in the shop.
Put Callie on the dyno.
Callie on the dyno again. Big old box for a belt. There was some way smaller boxes. Look, first thing, right on the top, a belt. Shop full of belts. Timmy's making noises. What do we have in here? We got that baller intake manifold too, didn't we?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it should be in there.
Oh man, look at that.
All black P1X.
Look at that. Fancy billet compressor wheel. They make a nice kit. I do like them. Somebody's about to get blown.
Oh man, look at that.
And intercooled. Never been intercooled. Giggity. And a bunch of couplers. Where's my intake manifold? Box and everything?
No, there's another box over here, but it's pretty light.
Yeah, it wasn't that heavy though. I think it's in here. There it is. Set all this stuff over. All the belt accessories. Lube. Everything's better than lube. Is that right, Jimmy? Yep. Well, this is an intercool, Trevor. Maybe it is in that other box.
I'll be impressed if it's in that other box.
Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. Nice. Put the bypass valve right on it. I like that. That's a new design. Get rid of some of this stuff. Ding. Bracket. It must be in that other box.
Yeah, bracket black.
Yeah. This is the front accessory guide bracket. So let's open this up. Just get the cool stuff out.
It feels pretty light. There's an intake in there.
It better be. Maybe it's full of belts. All the extra belts. Sometimes you need a few. You can't just turn the boost up whenever you want, you know, like by turning a knob or something, or hitting a button. You have to like get out of the car, take the pulley off out of the glove box, change another belt, get back in the car, go forward again.
There it is.
There it is, look at that. Yeah, let's lay this thing down on the table. It's a nice piece, for sure. I like these new Camaros a lot. Don't let Ben Stoner know that. I'd probably rather have one over a Mustang. least in the new body file stuff. You did not shy away from the tape at Procharger.
Oh man.
That's a nice piece. Check that out. Look at the supports on the inside. Very nice. Run all the boost to it. Nice Procharger lid for the top of it. I think that means we need to stop the video. We're gonna put you back to work, Trevor. We're a little short-handed this week, so that'll be it for this video. Check back next week when Ben's back in town. A lot more stuff. We'll have Avajit over to talk about the coupe. Fire up some of these blower cars, get some of these belts out of here. And we're gonna get off here so Trevor can answer the phone. See you later, YouTubes!